perfectly fitting music for you in that suit, still wearing the scuba gear with that thing in your mouth.
I'm always prepared. Like breathing fresh oxygen. Oh. Oh wait, this is a cannibal camp. No, it's... Yes, it is. Sleeping? Yes, they are.
Not anymore. Let's go.
That one's on fire. That one's a ninja.
You're on fire now. You're trailing it as you run.
Oh.
Looks kind of cool.
Oh, I'm holding the flaming body! Go, go, go! Why did I get out? Is it because I'm on fire still?
Probably. How do you get put out? Oh, there you
This goes really fast.
That was a sick drift.
It's practicing. Ooh, random
Dang,
bodies in the tree. Your hair looks like it. You don't look like Colonel Sanders anymore.
Have I changed? Oh,
Your hair is
battery's
like
running
brown now. Uh-oh. Perhaps we should not have been using the battery. The radio.
Oh, does it really drain the battery faster?
Oh, I don't know. Still looking.
Maybe if I hold my torch above the thing, it'll make
Oh
it
yeah. Where are the Whoa.
No,
Oh,
get back!
No! It's going into the water! Oh, it's frozen. Phew. Okay, so where's the battery on this thing?
I'm
Drowning over there.
just drinking some water.
That's what everybody says when they're drowning. Yeah, just drinking some water. Oops. I
That
don't have my
tree shouldn't have
license,
been.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Look, I don't chop it down. Out of the way, everybody! Close enough, I'm just gonna walk.
Yeah, a woman.
Killer.
Yes, sir. Perfect. Alright.
You do the honors. Also,
Oh, no.
there's a bunch- What? You just eat human flesh?
Did you throw away rotten meat or something?
Yeah, did you just eat it off the ground?
Well, I didn't mean to,
You're,
but
you
yeah.
animal!
It's
Okay.
not safe here. You're running out of time. It's gonna happen again. You have to leave.
It's
You
arm.
got a mysterious man with a scar on your face.
And
a
a
mutant
giant
arm.
arm. Give me your pistol, your revolver. I want it.
Unlimited pistol.
Ew. Alright, let's do this.
Stop you wasting my shotgun on babies. Ha!
Alright. Nice. Joke's on you. Ah,
Ha
lucky.